Oh my gosh! Look at these gorgeous little shoes. I just needed to take a moment to appreciate. It's a two-piece outfit. Hello, my cherished doll friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl, and I have an Ellowyne unboxing for you. Well, it's the Ellowyne Wilde subscription for February. I think it's February. I am really behind on my box openings. As many of you know, I've had a broken foot for the last few weeks, so I'm a little bit slow getting all my videos up, but today I'm doing 2 in a row. I just finished filming the 3 stages of doll collecting, and then now I'm doing this Ellowyne unboxing video. So I'm gonna put my glasses on and let's get to it. So here is my box from Virtual Doll Convention, and I've already cut it open, and let's see what's inside. It's always exciting getting something from VDC. Okay, there's something extra in here. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. I've got my subscription box, and I also got this extra little package. Let me see what's in here. Looks like a free gift. Oh my gosh! Oh, it's one of the little poodles. I have the white one of this, and now I have a pink one too. And a sticker. Love is fine, dolls are better. That is so cute. Love that. So let's open this little poodle. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. It's going to look good with Grace because she's wearing pink. I have the white one of this. I did have actually 2 white ones and 1 pink one, but I gave the white and pink one to my friend Adam, and I kept the extra white one for myself. And now I have a pink one too. It's absolutely adorable. I think they had nicknamed them Laverne and Shirley on the website, but I'm not sure. My white one I named Fluffy, and so I know, not very original, right? And I think I'm going to name this one Pinky. So Fluffy and Pinky are my 2 poodles, but that is absolutely adorable and the perfect size for my dolls. Thank you, Rachel. So that was a nice little bonus in the box. I'm going to open this up and show you in more detail, and I'm going to get up close so I won't be on camera. And then at the end, I'm going to do the paper crafts and show you them and the paper dolls in my dollhouse. So let's go. I'm going to get up close and show you what's inside. So you can see Ellowyne and Neema there, and Grace. Ellowyne and Neema are still dressed for the Oscars. I did a short with them, and so they're all glammed up. I'm not going to want to change them, but we will have to change one of them into the new outfit. So let's look at it together. I'm going to just put my camera down here, and will this give us a good view? There we go. So there's our nice little box with the Painted Lady Mansion and little Sybil there. And let's open it up. Oh, look at that beautiful view of the library. I love that picture. I just love the insides of these boxes. So here is the letter from Sybil. The wax seal with Sybil on there. Really nice. What does Sybil have to say this time? So this outfit is called Wardrobe Woes. Okay, I'm not going to read this whole thing because I'm kind of losing my voice right now for some reason. So I'll just read you the first paragraph. I know that Rachel has read this on her channel as well. So, dear human, I am writing to you from the wardrobe. Though calling it a wardrobe is like calling a cathedral a hallway. This is a room, a dominion, a carefully curated archive of decisions Ellowyne once made and now pretends she doesn't remember. Ellowyne has been standing here for quite some time. So she's looking at her closet and, you know, feeling woe is me. And I'm not going to read the rest, but that is always a fun letter from Sybil. And let's see what outfit she has to choose from. Oh, I see something here. Oh, that's right. I ordered the extra shoes. And these shoes actually, I ordered them to go with the tea dress from last month, but I have seen these shoes pictured with this month's box. So we're going to try them on for this month with this outfit and see how it looks, because I don't have her in the tea dress right now. Look at these gorgeous little shoes. They're so pretty. They're satin slip-on heels with bows, and they look like a little amber colored crystal, or maybe they're a clear crystal. They say VDC on them. Just beautiful. I love those. So we'll put those up here. I'll put those up there for now. And let's open up our package. So that's the inside. We've got, I see some cookies there. You're so sweet. I'm going to make myself a cup of tea after this and have some cookies. And we've got always a beautiful picture of the outfit. So this is Wardrobe Woes, Ellowyne Wilde, February outfit of the month. So that's what it looks like. Really chic. And we've got another sticker here. Be mine or don't. I'll be over here. So cute. I love Sybil. And here's our outfit. Oh, it looks so cute in person. It's a little jacket with a faux fur animal print collar and a little faux fur trimmed skirt. We're going to get that open. And also some stockings or leggings, I guess, go with it. Yeah, because in this picture, it actually shows her with dark leggings and those blue shoes. So that's wonderful that I got those blue shoes to go with this. So that is the outfit. And we also have our paper doll. So cute. Look at the little hat. And the purse. I wanted to get that bag. I haven't ordered it yet. I hope it's not sold out, but I have not ordered that bag, but I really want to. And she's got sunglasses, and Sybil's licking his or her paw. Very cute. Okay, and then our crafts is the last thing in the box. Let's see what's on here. A wardrobe inventory. A little note. I don't know what that is. Maybe a little brochure from a boutique she likes to shop at. Buttons and findings card. So it looks like a special place to keep buttons. Closet rules. Wardrobe care and repair notes. Outfit planning and mood. What I wore and what I felt. Oh, that's interesting. Fashion archive study. These are really detailed little, this is a whole wardrobe management system here. Your personal measurement chart, an Ellowyne scrapbook, and fabric and texture reference and tactile guide. So there's a lot to take in there and a lot to cut out. We'll see how far we go. I might just do the paper doll in this one, but we'll see. I might cut out a few of these things. But right now, I want to get her dressed in the outfit, and I'm going to come back and show you how she looks. I just needed to take a moment to appreciate these two absolutely gorgeous ladies before I change one of them into the new outfit. Can you guess which one I'm going to choose? I don't even know yet, actually. One of these girls is getting a new look. I realized I didn't really show you the outfit up close before I opened it up, so I'm just going to give you a little view here, and we'll take the plastic off. And here it is. It's an adorable little jacket. It's a two-piece outfit. Here's the skirt. It has a bit of a tartan print. It almost feels like not canvas, but it has a texture, and there's a little bit of a blue stripe in there, and I think that's where the blue shoes kind of bring that out. This fur is so soft, almost like a stuffed animal soft. So that's a beautiful little skirt there, and it has snaps, and it's lined. There we go. And then the little jacket has gold buttons, which are actually snaps. and this beautiful little faux collar, faux fur collar, and it's tailored. And look at the detail here. And look at that. It even has some of that pattern inside. That is so nice. And there's the back. It's really tailored at the back. That's gorgeous. Okay, let's try this on. So here we have my Ellowyne and Neema, and I decided to put the outfit on Neema. I didn't want to take that dress off of Ellowyne just yet. She just looks so pretty like a princess, and I just love that on her. So here is Neema, and I think she is rocking this outfit. I found some little chain link earrings for her, and I put on her peace necklace just because the gold matches really well, and it's good for the times. And she's got her beautiful little suit with her gold buttons and her fur trimmed skirt and the brown nylons and the little blue shoes, and they look really cute. I think she looks darling in that. The blue in the suit is very subtle. What do you think with the blue shoes? I think if I were going to wear this outfit myself in real life, I probably would wear more of a tan pump, a little bit more matching, but I think that looks really cute on her. So I'm going to cut out the paper doll. It'll be the Ellowyne doll. Neema gets to wear the outfit, and the Ellowyne paper doll gets to be in the outfit in the dollhouse. So let's look at that next. Here's little Penny. Hi, Penny. Oh, who's a cuddly girl. There's little Penny. She always likes to be close to me when I'm home and filming videos. So she's right there. And so I just wanted to show you before we go to the dollhouse what I did here. So my little story is that Ellowyne's friend Neema is helping her organize her closet. So there's Ellowyne there, and she let Neema wear the new outfit. And Neema has organized her closet by putting up all these little things that we cut out. Aren't those cute? Parisian chic. I think that's a brochure or something from a fancy boutique. And Ellowyne Wilde wardrobe inventory. So we have that on one side of the closet door, on the inside of the door. And doesn't Neema looks so cute there, and Sybil and Pinky are trying to decide if they like each other. I don't know, Sybil doesn't look too impressed. Pinky's like, I want you to like me. And so we've got the closet here, and on this side we've got closet rules. Do not buy another coat unless it is necessary. Maintain a one in out policy for shoes. Gee, I guess we should do that for our doll collections too. One in and one out. Sorry if the camera's shaky here. Mend and donate items after 12 months. Keep accessories organized. We have a beautiful picture of her friend Grace there. And then the other two cutouts were an outfit planning and mood guide, and then I think that's an inventory over there. It's a little bit small to see. Okay, so that is our story. Neema has been helping Ellowyne organize her closet, and then let's go to the dollhouse and see how things look. I placed Ellowyne in her little vanity area of her bedroom here. So there she is, looking very cute, the little Ellowyne paper doll. And there's her little vanity table. It's going close, so let's look. We've got some shoes in there. Ooh, it's a little dusty. A purse with some leather gloves sticking out, little bedroom slippers. There's Sybil sitting on the vanity stool, giving herself a bath. Oh my gosh, that's very dusty in there. Her little vanity table with her perfume bottles. And there is Ellowyne wearing her new little outfit, looking super cute in her blue shoes. And yeah, that is her little dressing area of her bedroom. I don't actually have a beautiful ladies style bedroom in this house. It's more of a masculine kind of bedroom, or a couple's room, I would say, We do have like a baby's room up here, which is really cute. And then on the other side of the house, we have a little girl's bedroom up in the attic, which is also really cute. But I don't really have a beautiful room for Ellowyne in this house. So we're just going to use her little vanity area, her little dressing area. So let's close up the dollhouse now. Ellowyne is in her little boudoir in the house. So thank you for joining me today. Here's a nice close-up look of Neema before we say goodbye. And she is just such a beautiful doll. And I love the outfit on her. It's so chic. This is so soft. And look at her little shoes. Very cute. Oops, slipping off a little bit. They do fit, but they just have to be pushed on a little bit. So there she is. And we will see you all at the next box opening. Bye-bye.